Welcome back to another video of Agri. So in today's video, I just want to plug you with one-stop shop for all your agricultural product, starting from irrigation, starting from fertilizers, everything that you're looking for as a farmer. If you wanna start your garden, if you wanna go commercial, like, this is your one-stop shop. So they have a lot of varieties of stuff. So at these shelves, that's where they have product that you can spray for your crops. So your insects that you want to spray at your product, they have those product. If you are looking into water supply at your farm or at your home, anything to do with the water supply, they also have the product. So here we're checking some of the stuff that we may be in need of at our backyard gardening market that we want to create. So we were actually looking into some of the things that are missing for our drip irrigation, since we want to start with a garden market that I don't even know what I'm doing. But there's someone who actually sent me a video to check out about an idea of how to actually build a garden market. So a garden market is where you have a variety of product that people can come and buy. So what you're gonna do is that you harvest when people are buying. So that's the idea of a garden market. So even if the product that you want to use in your chicken house to clean, or being in your farm to clean, or whatever you wanna use to clean, they have the product for you. So they have everything. They even have the chicken equipment. So like I'm saying, there's a one-stop agricultural store for you. So these are some of the equipment that they have, and it's funny that they come from Poltech. So Poltech has sponsored me with some of the product. They're giving me some of the products for free. So I have a good relationship with Poltech. So, and I'm glad that even NTK, they are selling Poltech's product. So here I was actually showing my friends that they also have the Poltech product. So if you're looking to feed us drinkers from day old chicks until your chicken have grown, like, they have everything that you need. If you're looking for small trays for feeders for small chicks, there's an idea actually of a small feeder. So Poltech has all the variety product about chickens. So this is some of those that they have. This one is for day old chicks. They call them feeder savior, or feeder saver. I forgot the right term for this feeder. But anyway, if you're looking into those and you don't know where to actually get them, check out NTK. I think they are nationwide. Like in South Africa, we have NTKs all over. So this isn't one number one or one store agricultural product that you should actually look into. So they have like a variety of stuff that you may need in your agricultural project. Even the shoes, the clothes that you may need, the work suit that people normally buy, they have them. Fertilizers. This one is a bone meal actually. So, but yeah, you know what bone meal for? It's for roots development. So when you plant, when you transplant, you want your crop roots to develop very nicely and fast. You can use bone meal. They also have a lot of fertilizers. You know how fertilizers work. It's NPK, but I'm not going to explain that one today. So, but yeah, they have a lot of fertilizers that you can need for fruits development, for stem development, like everything that you need. It's here at NTK. So like I said, this video is not sponsored, by the way, but I just wanted to plug you guys with a store that you can visit and get most of your products in agriculture. They also have like a variety of product that you can use for your crop. So any disease that you have, or anything that you want to spray for in your crop, they also have those kind of product. And they also have a lot of seeds. So any seeds that you're looking for, NTK is the place that you can visit and get most of the seeds that you're looking for. So starting from corn, cabbage, spinach, tomato, lettuce, cucumber, carrots, like lots and lots and lots of product and a lot of seeds they have. So if you're looking into like starting your own smaller yana garden, or you want to go commercial, I don't know, you can visit NTK, and yeah, you'll find most of the product with them. So like they have most of the seeds. But normally what people will advise you, if you wanna plant like a big space, like let's say you wanna do 1 acre of land, they normally advise you to buy seedlings, not seeds. So seedlings, it's when they have been germinated from the seeds to be seedlings. So if you wanna go big, like we did last year when we were actually planting our green peppers and tomatoes, we didn't buy seeds, we bought seedlings. But this time around, we decided to actually buy seeds, and we want to try germinate them ourselves and see if we can have a good product that it can come out if we germinate them ourselves. Yeah, so it was nice, man, to visit NTK. I hope now I've answered most of your question in this video, because if you wanna buy like product, if you wanna do your drip irrigation, you wanna buy equipment for your chicks, you wanna buy seedlings, you wanna buy product to spray your insects in your garden, in your farm, I hope this video has answered most of you guys who have been looking into where to buy some of the product that I've normally mentioned in most of my videos. So NTK is the place that you can visit and get most of the product. Like I said on the video, that this video, it's not sponsored by NTK. I'm not affiliated with NTK. So I hope it's the right term. So but otherwise, guys, thanks for watching my videos. Remember to subscribe, share, comment and like.